Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be taking a can of chickpeas and turning them into a nice savory snack. I've been trying to eat a little healthier, so I throw these in my salads, or when I'm in the mood for something crunchy, I eat these instead of chips. So if you like chickpeas, stay tuned for the recipe. Okay, so I'm starting off with 1 can of chickpeas that I will strain and dry. It's important to dry them off really well. This is going to help them get nice and crispy while roasting. You can remove the shells if you like, but it's not necessary. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of olive oil and about a tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning. You can add whatever seasoning you like. You can make them sweet by adding some brown sugar and cinnamon, or you can skip the seasoning altogether. Next, I'll stir the chickpeas in the olive oil and my seasoning, and then place them on my baking sheet. I'll spread them out into a single layer just to make sure that they aren't touching. This helps to make sure they cook evenly. I'll roast them on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes total. I'm checking them at the 35-minute mark. I wanted them to be a little bit crispier, so I cooked them for an additional 5 minutes. Hey everyone, it's Janae from Janai's Kitchen. I just wanted to take a quick break to say if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider subscribing. And to all of my returning viewers, I truly appreciate all of your support along the way. All right, you guys, let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so they are done. Taste them. And if they need any more seasoning, now's the time to add some additional seasoning. What I love about these is that you can really play around with the flavors. Mine lasts for about 3 days in an airtight container. Simple snack, easy to make, and these taste really good, you guys. Well, okay, that is it for today's video. If you like content like this, go ahead and check out my playlist right here. And then leave me a comment if you plan to make these. Thanks for watching. Bye.